Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to build a modern to-do list app with a clean UI and smooth functionality using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You'll learn how to add tasks, mark them complete, track progress, and manage everything in a simple and interactive way. So let's get started.
Dive right in till you lose it all and don't give in. When in love like we're rolling, got you falling on my skin. Take a chance, this is it. Oh, na, na. Until it's written. The constellations call me feeling dangerous, risky on some face the consequences. Life written till you lose it all and don't give in. When in love like we're rolling, got you falling on my skin. Take a chance. This is it. Oh, na, na. This again, love. No, no, go till we hit the floor. This again, love. Dive right in till you lose it all and don't give in. When in love like we're rolling, got you falling on my skin. Take a chance, this is it. Oh, na, na. This again, love. You know that you won't quit, got you hanging on addicted. in love like we're rolling. Got you falling on my skin. Take a chance, this is it. Oh, nah, nah. Paint the stars until it's written